I've talked a lot about mediation, and others in our firm have talked about it a lot in other videos, so I would encourage you to go look at those if you want more detail on mediation, which is a structured negotiation between your lawyer, the insurance company, and their representative, and a neutral mediator. Why do we go through mediation? It's been a successful tool. When I first started practicing law, it was in its infancy. And I remember getting the first letter I ever got inviting me and my client to a mediation. It was like, what is this? And let's give it a try. And it's become sort of the gold standard, certainly in Ontario and many other provinces in Canada, to trying to get your case resolved. It's a without prejudice, which means what you discuss there stays there. And if you don't settle the case, they can't be referred to what the discussions were at mediation. In essence, you're going to the settlement meeting with a facilitator or a referee trying to get the parties to find common ground to getting to a negotiated compromise or a settlement. It is a compromise. You're not usually going to get 100% of everything you're hoping to get. That's what court is for. The problem with going to court, though, is that it is frequently an all or nothing proposition. You're either going to win or you're going to lose. If you lose, you get nothing. If you win, you will get what you're entitled to, hopefully, and have a continuing relationship with the insurance company, which most of our clients aren't that happy about having. So a mediation is the best alternative to going to court to try and find some middle ground to get your case resolved in a fair and equitable way.